Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unbagging Ipsy. So I got my Ipsy in the mail for February 2019. Ipsy is $10 a month, but you do have the options to add on things, and I will explain that to you more when we go into the bag. So I already, opened that part up. So, and this is this month's card, and it says swoon so hard. And then there's a lot of love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, flip for more on these. Let us introduce you to your next beauty crush Ipsy add-ons. Like Ipsy couldn't get better enough as it is. Starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples, hair, makeup, skincare, and more to add to your next glam bag, starting at $3. We'll keep things fresh with 30 plus new add-ons products every single month. All the brands you love, like Huda Beauty, Sunday Riley, Smashbox, and more. You'll never run out of things to try, and you always get free shipping on your add-ons. So I've been doing the add-ons for a couple of months. I love the add-ons. I'm still waiting to get the glam bag or the plus bag. So I've been on the wait list for 2 months. I'm hoping by next month that I do actually get it so I can review that with you guys. But I did order a couple add-ons this month. My add-ons were $13 a piece. I didn't get any of the $3 ones this time. But I did get the Persile Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. And this is what it looks like. It says it gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, lightens, and smooths, and it's a 10-minute facial. And I'm actually very glad I had this. I was asked by Confidence Plus if I would do a sheet mask on my live. So I will be using this sometime this week, which I'm very excited about doing. And then I also have the Wander Beauty Mascara. I talk about this mascara all the time. I finally went through my tube and used it all up. But this is what it looks like. A lot of people like it, a lot of people don't like it. It's just your own preference on what you like. But I love this, so I'm so happy to get that back. And I also got the Tarte Double Duty Makeup Make Every Moment Count, and this is blushes. And it comes in this cute little book. I mean, this is hardcore. And it comes with a mirror, and it comes with 3 shades. And I will swatch that for you guys. I don't know if you can really see them, but they're there. They're very pretty. So I don't have any Tarte blushes, on its own. So I'm very happy to have this. So all 3 of these were $13 each on top of my monthly $10 bag. So, but I love how Ipsy is doing this now because you can pick your own items and what you want. And I mean, $13 compared to this probably is like $30 or more on Tarte, so I'm not complaining at all. So now let's get into the bag. So we have this cute little February lip bag, which I absolutely love. It is so adorable. I love this so much. So let's reach in. So the first thing I have is this Lash Alert Mascara from Eco. Give your lashes a lift with a shot of caffeine and a double dose of fibers for instant volume, curl, and definition. I have so many mascaras, so I am going to be putting this in the box that I have for my 500 subscriber giveaway that will be coming up soon. And next we have a Meech and Mia Caramel. This is a eyeshadow, so this is just a single shadow. It's very pretty. I'm not going to swatch this either. I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well. And I also have this Dolce Fierce and Fine Graphic pen. And I don't want to open this because this is also going to go in the giveaway because I have way too many eyeliners. So, and I will never use them up before they go bad. Let's see what else is in here. I have 2 sheet masks from Surmedic, Age Control Multivitamin and Vital Collagen. Oh, these are nice. So I will definitely be using those. And last, ooh, come on, that is gorgeous. What a beautiful brush. It's like a heavy brush. So this is the Fair brush in 50/50. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Oh, it's so soft. Yep. This alone is definitely worth the $10 that you paid for the bag and for your subscription for Ipsy for the month. So I am absolutely excited about this. I think this month was awesome. It's awesome every month. You cannot go wrong with Ipsy. So please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me, and give this video a like. And don't forget, guys, to have a wonderful and a magical day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.